Let's do some advanced stuffs with our picture tool, and we'll be using timer in this video. So we are taking two images. Let me draw a picture box. We are adding an image in this box. To do that, we're gonna go to properties, and in the properties there is a picture option. Choose that, and mine is under desktop. I'm gonna choose this picture now. Okay, it's too large. Fine, I'll take it. We're gonna have another box here, and we selected it. We go to properties. It's a picture 2 box. We're gonna go to pictures, and then we're gonna choose another picture, which is this one. Actually, this one is really big. Okay, we choose another picture here. We're gonna make the visibility of all these two pictures to false, because when we're gonna run, only these two pictures will be visible in this area and these two will be hidden. Let me show you, then you will be able to understand. We're gonna select this picture. We're gonna make its visibility to false. Visibility to false. And same for this one. Visibility to false. Now we need to have a starting image. Actually, we already had an image box here. We just need to add an image here. Go to pictures. Choose any of these two pictures. I choose this one. Okay. Now I'm adding a timer button. You can place it somewhere here or anywhere you like. It's not gonna be visible while the program is running. So you can add it anywhere. And I'm making a box to exit. And this. And we are just writing and inside it. And whatever coding we're gonna do, all will be inside timer. And what we wanted is at an interval of 0.5 seconds, which is half of the second, this image will be shown, and after half of a second this image will be shown here, and it's gonna move somewhere. So it feels like this butterfly is closing and opening. So we are making a timer. So we selected the timer and go to the properties of timer and make the interval to 500, because every value here is in milliseconds. So 0.5 seconds will be 500 milliseconds. If it's 1 second, make it 1000, but that would be really slower. So the less the value is, the more faster it's gonna move. So for now we are making it 500, and every coding will be inside the timer. Now we're gonna write some program inside its timer. So we declare a variable static s as integer, picture3 dot move space picture3 dot left, which is +20. It's gonna move +20 towards left. Picture3 dot top, which is -5. We choose picture3, because this one is picture3, and we wanted these two, picture1 and picture2, to be hidden. Okay. Then we write if s then picture3 dot picture is equals to picture1 dot picture. Actually in picture3 it will be showing up the picture1, else picture3 dot picture is equals to picture3 picture2 dot picture. And if s is equals to not s, and we're gonna run this program. Okay, we need to change the directory for run. For that, you go to project, project properties, then startup object, choose form 5, which is the current form we are working with, and then run. Something is wrong here. We wanted it to be in full screen. For that, choose the form, go down, Windows state, maximized, and then run. Okay. Look, it's moving towards the right, really slowly. Let me place a cursor here. It's moving. So this is the program, and if you wanted to end this, we click on end this. It's end. So that's it for now.